Hi everybody, welcome back to our page, Montana's Lost Art. Today we're going to be building a candle holder out of Montana blue pine that we've harvested and milled on our Wood Miser LT15 and then dried for about 2 years before we're taking it into the shop. I'm sure you guys have seen a billion videos of people measuring their epoxy before stirring it, so I went ahead and measured mine out prior to starting this video, and I did go ahead and mix it. During my mixing process, I like to spend about 10 minutes mixing it, even though the bottle only suggests that I do it for 6 to 7. I do like to do that just for assurance purposes because I have had it not mixed together properly and then I had soft spots and that becomes a big issue. Following my mixing process, I usually set the cup down and let the bubbles dissolve before I go ahead and pour it on my project. I know out there on the internet right now there's a lot of beach scenes and water scenes, and I really enjoy those, but we're in Montana and so I kind of wanted to get a more nostalgic feel for our state, so I decided to go with the pine and with the rocks. So hopefully you guys like it. Ta-da! Here I'll go ahead and put all the stones onto the slab above the candle holder base, and I really don't do this in an orderly fashion other than the smooth pebbles that I place around the edge just for balance and support before putting the other smaller rocks on top. And this is the final product. I still do need to do a couple of final touches, but basically this is what it will look like once it's finished. Stay tuned for our marketing photos.